The next one we have that's also great for circulation is the snapping punch. So same thing on this one. You can do this in standing, you can do it seated, or you could do it in a chair. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take our hands and we're gonna put our thumbs in our fists. We're gonna start with our hands back and about chest level. And we're gonna go out, extending our hands, bring it back. We're gonna do all of this with our breath. So first practice just the hand movement. So you're gonna push out and move those fingers out. Then pull back as a punch. You're gonna go back and forth, right to left. Then we're gonna add in the breath. And the breath is, we're going to inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You're gonna do snapping punch 1 to 2 minutes. That is going to not only activate your lymph, it's also going to activate the breast tissue. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time.